stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do, and it was called yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to do.
Welcome to Scotland, and welcome here today to the famous Blacksmith Shop to witness the joining together in marriage of Jordan and Chelsea. I am Carmen Barch, and I am an assistant registrar appointed by the Registrar General for Scotland as a person authorised to solemnise civil marriages in accordance with the provisions of the Marriage Scotland Act 1977. Before I proceed with this civil marriage ceremony, it is important that you both should identify yourselves answering the following question. You first, Jordan. Are you Jordan Jonathan Dams?
Yes.
Chelsea. Are you Chelsea Bell?
Yes.
Good. We are now gathered here in order that I may solemnise your marriage in the presence of Victoria and Alison, and in accordance with the law of Scotland. And I confirm that the requirements of that law preliminary to your marriage have been satisfied. So that's very good news. Before you, Jordan, and you, Chelsea, are joined in marriage, it is my duty to remind you of the binding character of the vows you are about to make. Marriage, according to the law of this country, is a union of two people, voluntarily entered into for life, to the exclusion of all others. I now require that you both make a declaration accepting each other as husband and wife. To do so, please pop your rose onto here, please. Thank you. Hold hands, that's wonderful. And you first, Jordan.
No.
Please repeat after me. I, Jordan Jonathan Dams,
I, Jordan Jonathan Dams,
solemnly and sincerely declare
solemnly and sincerely declare
that I know of no legal impediment
that I know of no legal impediment
to my marrying Chelsea Bell.
to marrying my Chelsea Bell.
Okay, Chelsea. I, Chelsea Bell,
I, Chelsea Bell,
solemnly and sincerely declare
solemnly and sincerely declare
that I know
that I know
of no legal impediment
of no legal impediment
to my marrying Jordan Jonathan Dams.
to my marrying Jordan Jonathan Dams.
That's wonderful. That was the important thing for me to hear. That was very clear for me. Thank you for that. But now you say the vows to each other. So please hold hands, look into each other's eyes to show the love, respect and care for each other. Jordan, again, you start with you, please. I, Jordan, accept you, Chelsea, as my lawful wedded wife,
I, Jordan, accept Chelsea to be my lawful wedded wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
and in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
to the exclusion of all others,
to exclusion to all others,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as both shall live.
Wonderful. Chelsea, please now you. I, Chelsea, accept you, Jordan, as my lawful wedded husband.
I, Chelsea Bell, accept Jordan,
You, Jordan,
you
as
Jordan, as to be my wedded husband.
my lawful wedded.
My lawful wedded husband.
That's good. To have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
to the exclusion of all others,
to the exclusion of all others,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
These are the vows you say to each other And to strengthen these vows, you give rings to each other. So Jordan, please, if you pick up Chelsea's ring and put it on the left hand, the third finger, and repeat after me. Chelsea, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion.
Chelsea, I give this ring my symbol, my love and devotion.
That's good. Chelsea, now you, please take Jordan's ring. Put it on the third finger and repeat after me. Jordan, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion.
Jordan, I give you this ring as a symbol of our love and devotion. Yeah.
Love and devotion. Wonderful. And put the ring onto the finger. That's wonderful. Hold hands again. That's wonderful. So you're legally married. We will do the paperwork. However, these rings have been given as a token of the bond into which you have both now entered. And by virtue of the declaration made by you both, in the presence of these witnesses and in the presence of myself, I now have the pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you make us your wife. Just very quickly to say, when you would have arrived here 200-300 years ago, you would have obviously knocked on this door, and it would be the blacksmith who would open the door, and he would ask you far simpler questions, and you probably had to answer just 3 questions.
Wow.
So basically the blacksmith would ask you, are you old enough to marry? And you would answer, yes.
Yes.
I assume
Yeah.
yes, you are old enough. Do you want to marry?
Yes.
Yes. And he would.
To something beautiful, and you know I love you so. You know I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. 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 Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do.